Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see this Pigeon Cerra Steel Ceramic Flat Tawa. Okay, Ceramic Flat Tawa 280, and this is the aluminum with the combination of stainless steel. If you can observe, this is made up of aluminum flat tawa with ceramic coating, which acts as a non-stick, natural non-stick, and this handle, what you are seeing, this handle is stainless steel, which is rust free, and also it can withstand heat, also heat resistant also. And when I'm holding this, I feel little bit weight only, and it is mentioned like ceramic coating, which acts as a natural non-stick. Many users nowadays who are not wanting this traditional Teflon coating for the non-stick are showing interest on the ceramic coating. So for such people, this would be one of the good choice. Anyways, this is not a recommendation video or something like that. And in the offline store, it is available for 1500 rupees, 1400 1500 rupees, basing upon the offers. And I checked the online availability, but I found out the Amazon link, which will I drop in the description. If you want to check the details, you can check the Amazon link. But on Flipkart, I couldn't find the exact match. See here, Pigeon Cerra Steel Stainless Steel Clad Ceramic Flat Tawa 280, and it is mentioned like 3x longer lasting body, means the strong body. Yeah, I felt the build quality is good. The build quality is quite good, and the ceramic coating you should be using very carefully, because yeah, this is smooth, but you need to use traditional wooden sorting things to sort this, because at few parts I saw the coating was just gone off at the edges, so you should be using carefully. When I want to read this, let me just zoom it once. Yeah, 3x longer stainless steel body, healthy ceramic coating, innovative style design. Yeah, these are the highlights of this flat tawa font from the brand Pigeon. Ceramic aluminum steel 2.4 mm thickness. Okay, naturally non-stick, it is mentioned. Let us check the online details also. Energy saving and faster heating. You should be using low flame. Yeah, and as I said, I tried to search for the exact in the Flipkart, but I didn't find. But on the Amazon, I found this. Yeah, it is showing like 1440 rupees on the Amazon. See here, with the stainless steel handle with the aluminum ceramic coating, flat tawa brand Pigeon, material ceramic stainless steel, color base, and capacity 0.28 liters, and gas. Yeah, if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments, and please do comment your opinion on this Pigeon branded ceramic coating flat tawa. Yeah, I hope you like this video. If you like this, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.